Ban ailat iki kun samla bikin jet bat pulia pentebet halaki jong ki subjects baki kwa ni angnun Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Konrad konkal sangma haka supporter unok pra arja arpusa ula Plie ba ya ka Ïing mala na ka Bynta ka science section jong ka science block hapo sngap sings college mau kerwan ka bala baitingka lingba ka project Rusa 2.0 hadu sau kulur tingka Hakani kesengi nolor Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla layadon lang dau MLA ka mau kerwan uba Renekton lingdot tongkar UMDC ka mau kerwan uba Karnes Soshang principal ka sengap college u Dr. KK Nongsiet lembat kiwe Kyrwoh Rangbah Haba ajeng kran hakani kesengi Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla uloong baka sarkar Jylla kan sa penbet penbiang ru na ka Bynta ki jingdon kam jong kani ka college haka science but commerce stream hakini ki khendiat banai banwan
Inauguration of the new building for the science section of the science block that we are witnessing today, funded under Rusa 2.0. We took this opportunity to visit the college also. Hence, I will have to rush, and we could not, as I said, have a proper program. I'm also told that exams are going on, and that's something that disturbs me to have a program like this while the exams are going on. And that's why I'm trying to speak a bit softly also. Friends, education has been one of the most important pillars for us as a government. It is also one of the most challenging sectors and departments. For the past 52 years, the kind of attention that we would have wanted in education could not be given, for whatever reason. I don't want to go into that. But there has been kind of a neglect. And we have realized that there needs to be more work and effort that needs to go in. More investment has to be made. More avenues have to be given to our youth. For us as a government, the youth is a very, very important part of our state. Government colleges that are there in different parts of the state, namely Sora, Mauplang, Bakmara, Williamnagar and Mahendraganj, apart from others. In these 5 colleges, government has yesterday in the cabinet announced that we will be starting science and commerce stream in all these colleges, and sanction post for that, approval for that was given yesterday. Because we realized in the new education policy and as well as the overall environment that we are in today, we need to be able to give options to our students. It is unfair, I use the word unfair, that the students cannot choose the subjects that they would like to study. And therefore, it is our endeavor to ensure that we are able to give the necessary options for the students to choose the line that they would like to. And hence, I'm very happy about this proposal that you are giving. I cannot announce it right now, but let me assure you that this particular proposal of starting science and different streams in different colleges is a priority for us. It is a policy decision I have to take, which we are working on, and is something that we will be completing. And once we do that, I can assure you that your college also will be in that list. So therefore, we will be doing it. It's a process. I just said yesterday itself we have shown our intention by starting science and commerce stream in the rest of the colleges which do not have, in the government colleges which do not have science and commerce. We have sanctioned the posts yesterday. So we have started with our government colleges. Next will be our People's College. So we will be moving towards that. What will be the structure of it? What form it will be in? We are working on it. But as I said, I cannot announce it right now. But I can assure you that this is something that is on the cards. It is in the pipeline. And it is something that I personally am looking into it. Because as I said, I have a very strong opinion that our students must be able to choose the subjects that they desire to study or the interest that they have.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingbah ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya